Hi guys, Stockfish 6 play against Komodo 9. C4, E6, D4, Knight F6, Knight F3, D5, Knight C3, C6. This is Slav defense. After E6, semi-Slav defense, main line. E3, Knight B7, Queen C2, Bishop D6, Bishop D3. Safety for king, castle king side, then pawn takes pawn. This is the main move in this variation. This is main line. Bishop takes, pawn attack, bishop on b5. There are choice bishop go to d3 or e2. The engine choose e2. Bishop e2. Here if he push on the knight like this, just the knight jump to a4 with pressure here and pressure in this file here. For this reason, the best move a6. a6 is good move because protect this weak pawn, because he would like push in the future c5. If you see b5 pawn under attack from two pieces, he can push c5. This is important in semi-Slav defense. This move a6 as a prophylactic move. e4, he be quickly try to occupy the center and push threaten two pieces. e5, what's happen if he push here attacking the knight? Just easy, he will push e5, pawn takes bishop, maybe knight b6, takes the pawn, queen takes the pawn. Here of course white is better, have advantage. Why have advantage? This is bad bishop if you see. Also white control this two good square. If you see, this bishop can come here in the future, make pressure in this square. If he push the pawn, he can pin the pawn on the queen, or maybe push this pawn and play this idea. For this reason, the best move e5. e5. Here there are move h3 as a prophylactic move to prevent knight jump here. He try to prevent knight jump here, attacking the bishop in the yellow square. But the engine choose to play the bishop immediately to e3. Have a good idea when this one jump here, just he attack the queen. Because he cannot do this move, because he make weakness here in this diagonal. The queen can come easy here, or the bishop also in the future. But simple answer, he play like this, attack the knight. If the knight go back, he lose time. Of course he will attack the bishop. Because white, if take the knight is not a good move, because he will take the bishop. If take the pawn, knight takes the pawn, take his pawn back with two pressure in this pawn. That is the idea. For this reason, it is not a winning pawn. What the white do now? White have a lot of choices here, because there are another piece under attack. This knight under attack. For this reason, the knight can come here, because if he take like this, he close the diagonal, and he will take the knight back, and he do something good. What is he did good? This pawn close this diagonal. That is the idea. He have another choices also. He can put his bishop here, because if he take like this, the bishop go to bad place than before. But the best choices, maybe he go to c1 or d2. The engine choose d2, maybe to be connected in rook, and maybe he would like in the future come to c3. In this case, the black found a good sacrifice. That he sacrificed this knight, he take it quickly. If knight takes knight, pawn takes pawn, attack this knight, and attack this knight. Of course, white takes the knight with this idea. He'd like to go to this yellow square, takes the knight. Of course, he will take with the bishop to activate his bishop. The bishop have a good diagonal, make a strong attack. If he take with the queen like this, also this is a weakness. He have a chance to attack this two weakness like this. Also, this pawn is little bit weak. He cannot do this move easy. Like this move, f3, it is not a good move because it make weakness here in this diagonal, as you see. For this reason, of course, the right move, bishop takes pawn. Jump with the knight, because this knight now, he don't have a good squares. If you see, he don't have a good squares. He'd like to go to now to e6. Push attacking bishop, bishop back, support the pawn, knight to e6. Push attack the knight. The knight doesn't have good squares. If you see, if he come here, no future for this knight. Like no good future for this knight. He don't have any good squares. Just he would like to give check. That is the idea. King come here and then jump to d4, exchange knight. Of course, this bishop is better than this bishop. Queen to e4, knight takes bishop in e2, queen takes knight. And now white have a good two pawns. He can push them and he control many squares. Also, he have a strong pressure here and also here. If you see, that is the idea, and this is like good advantage for white. a5, black here doesn't have any move to play. If he was this move like this, just bishop go like this. But he play e5, a5 make space for a bishop and space for his rook. Just this come, look to this point, and then he go with the king like this. Push f6, this is winning move. He push g6, and then after he takes this pawn like this is winning position. King go here to try to far away. Maybe he takes this first. Bishop g7. Bishop takes knight. He don't have, in this situation, is a little bit frozen position. He take. In this position, white wins the game easy. Why white wins this game? Because the queen like to go to f3. After f3 go to h3 and win with this diagonal easy. The only move to try to play, that is this rook go and the bishop go in this yellow square. Like if he play like this, just f3, bishop challenge bishop to exchange his dangerous bishop. Just bishop takes bishop. King takes bishop, because if take with the rook, the king in bad situation. Just easy. The queen go to this file and wins the game. King far away from checkmate. Rook jails the king with taking this file. Try to make space for the king, and this is easy winning. Mat in 10 or in very quickly. Check, go here, take the rook, and after exchange rook, maybe the mat will come in 10 to 20 move quickly. And thank you for watching.